Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Uphold for international transfers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with Uphold, navigate to the Uphold website or open the Uphold app. Click on the sign up button if you are a new user, or log in if you already have an account. For new users, enter your email address and create a secure password. Review and accept Uphold's terms and conditions, then proceed to click sign up. Check your email for a verification message from Uphold. Click on the verification link provided in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Uphold login page and enter your credentials. After logging in, you will be prompted to complete the identity verification process, which is essential for international transfers. Begin by selecting your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Follow the instructions provided to upload a valid form of identification, such as a passport or driver's license. You may also need to provide a second form of identification, such as a utility bill or bank statement, to verify your address. Ensure that all uploaded documents are clear and legible for successful verification. Once your documents are submitted, wait for Uphold to review and process your information. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several days, depending on various factors. You will receive an email notification once your verification is complete. Once verified, log back into your Uphold account to access the international transfer features. You can now link your bank account or payment method for seamless transfers. Select the type of transfer you wish to perform, whether it's cryptocurrency or fiat currency. Enter the recipient's information and the amount you wish to send. Confirm all details are correct before finalizing the transaction. Uphold will process your transfer and notify you upon completion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.